Looks like we're meeting at Crumbling Hills today.
Hey, hold up!
May, there you are.
Why are you here?
We just wanted to make sure if you're okay, May. May, is everyone looking for you? May, I need to know. Jacob, you're overreacting. He's not a little kid anymore. I know that. May, we're coming with you.
Oi, Gabbo, what are you doing? Giro's about to give a speech to the pack.
Just working on my footwork. Be right there. Crumbling Hills it is.
Listen up, every one of you. Winter is coming and food will be scarce. We must capture as much prey now as possible. As a result, failure in any hunt from this day forward will not be tolerated. Understood? To begin with, this afternoon we're going to Crumbling Hills to do a little goat hunting.
What the?
Excuse me, Giro. We hardly ever see goats there at a best of times, so I'll go now.
I've been watching that place for a while now, Barry. While the terrain is made up mostly of craggy rocks, there's a type of grass that grows between them that the goats seem to find irresistible. When the goats are hidden between the rocks, they feel that they are safe. They won't expect us to go after them there, and that will be our advantage. Do you understand now, Barry?
That's brilliant! I'd have never thought of that. Giro, I'm sorry I ever doubted you. So, how are we gonna go about this thing?
Barry, you're tracking. Be sure to find at least one juicy one for my mate. You know how she likes them. Find enough for everyone and you'll be very well rewarded. Zack and Beach, you guard the trails off the hills. Don't let a single goat escape. For the rest of you, it's the same as usual. Just round them up and take them down, right?
Oh no. I've got to get May out of there.